Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I'll teach you English, your number 3, page number 31 and 32, exercise grammar. Students, now let us start topic. Use of articles a, an and the. Next, definition of articles. An article is a word that comes before a noun to show if it's specific or general. The three articles are a, an, and the. Use of article the. The is a definite article. It is used to point out something specific. Next example, the dog that bit me ran away. Here we are talking about a specific dog, the dog that bit him or her. Next example, he saw a rabbit in the zoo. This means he saw a rabbit in a particular zoo. Next, page number 32. Use of the article a and an. A and an are indefinite articles. These are used to tell us about something in general or non-specific. Next, use of a. A is used before the word that begins with the consonant sound. For example, a mother is waiting outside for her baby. Mother of someone is waiting for her baby in a general way. Next, use of an. An is used before the word that begins with the vowel sound. For example, a boy is eating an egg. Is eating an egg in a general sense. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly note down this work on your books. It is your book work. Okay, Allah Hafiz.